Forest Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Chambers County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Houston, or near Kingwood, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Northern Baytown, Humble, Kingwood, Barrett, Highlands, Channelview, Crosby, Hatton Village, Roman Forest, Wood Branch, Plum Grove, Atascocita, Houston Gardens, East Houston, Lake Houston Dam, Lake Houston, Hunterwood, Sheldon, East Little York, or Homestead and Sedagast. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.